turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a first impressions video of eyeshadow palettes I have been dying to get and have never actually pulled the trigger on. Clionadh finally came out with an eyeshadow palette, and it is called the Dragon Fruit palette, and this is what it looks like. And this is what it looks like on the back, and the price was really good considering the price of their single eyeshadow, so I jumped on it. These are my first ever Clionadh eyeshadows, and hopefully this won't be the last time, but it'll probably be a sale. But this is their Dragon Fruit palette, and this is what the Dragon Fruit palette looks like. Of course, we are going to swatch this. So you have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 shadows. So you have 9, 10, 11, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 of the smaller and 2 of the larger. 2 of the larger shadows on here. So we're going to swatch these. One of them I actually want to try on my lids. I have a brush handy because I think it's going to go with the look that I have today, and it is this one right here, the Strawberry Pear. So we're going to do a quick just over the matte shadow that I have on, just a quick eyeshadow swatch. Really pretty. It just adds, this is sort of a satin, I would say, but I feel like it adds just a little bit of something to the eyeshadow that I have on. So really, really nice. Okay, first impression, so far so good. So I am going to swatch these. I am going to read the names really quickly because that's what I do. The big shade here is called Bubbles. Then you have Refresh, Strawberry Pear, Dragon Teeny. I'm putting Dragon Teeny in the inner corner. Infusion, which is hard to see. Okay, we'll do it this way. Hilo Ceres, which is this shade here, which looks like it could be a duochrome. You have Sweetened. You have Exotic. You have Prickly, which is a purple. Down here, the big one is Effervescent, Fruit Fizz, Dragonfly, and Catasay. I don't know how to say that one. But those are your shade names, and I'm going to grab me a little inner corner brush. This is a Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. I think it's specifically for the inner corner, but I'm going to grab Dragon Teeny, which is this one, and it looks duochromy. When you look at it, it looks mostly pink, but it looks like it has like a little bit of blue on it. I am going to, these things are very fragile also, and we are just going to put that right, yeah, see, it's coming up on my lids kind of green. Well, not on my lids, but on my inner corner is kind of green. And in here it looks, doesn't even look this color. Like I'm getting so many, this must be like a multi-chrome. Because I'm getting like green, I'm getting some gold. When I look down here, it looks a little bit blue. And that's just really pretty. Let's see if I can put it where you can see it a little more. Really pretty. All right, so we are just gonna do some, and it even like stains my brush like this pink color. So those are all the colors that are in that one. I'm gonna swatch. I'm gonna start, we are gonna be on this arm. I'm gonna start with Bubbles, which is one of the larger colors. And that is what Bubbles looks like. To me, this one is, it's a duochrome. It sort of has some green and some blue, and like when I show you, it looks a little bit more pinky silver. Very fragile shadows. The next one right there is Refresh right beside it. So that is Refresh. And then the next one is the one that I put on, and that was Strawberry Pear. And then beside that is the one I put in the inner corner, which is Dragon Fruit. You can kind of see like the duochrome. Can I move my arm the right way? You can kind of see the duochrome effect. The embossing goes away almost immediately. Infusion is a purple tone. So that's Infusion. Beside that is this one I can't pronounce, Hyloceris, really pretty. Beside that is Sweetened, really pretty. Hold on for a sec. Then we have Exotic, which is here, gorgeous. But they look so, those three look so close in color. And then beside that is this gorgeous deep royal purple shade, which is Prickly. So really pretty. And then at the bottom you have your two greens. I want to kind of let my hands dry. So you have this one, CATACEAE, which is that shade right there. Ooh, nice one swatcher. Then you have Dragonfly, which is your other green, really pretty. I'm going to go right here for the last two. You have Fruit Fizz, which I think is a kind of duochrome. We'll put it right here. Gosh, these things go on amazing. And then the last one, which is one of the larger ones, is called Effervescent. Ugh, blinding. So this is your color story. And I am going to actually grab a little pencil brush because we're playing again. Let me zoom in a little bit. Maybe you can see. And come down some. Okay. Can you see? I'm going to get this on my clothes. The which color? Dragon Teeny. And we'll even put a little bit more on. It coming up kind of pink. But it is some pink. There's some green. There's a lot going on. But I am going to take a little bit of this one I can't pronounce. Catasay. And go like a little bit right here. Gorgeous. I am just going over other eyeshadows from another video that I did, which was that Melt Gemini 2 palette. I just used that one. And I am going to actually use Dragonfly right beside it. These things are super vivid. Like my eyeshadow is going way left now, but really pretty. Really pretty. And while I am at it messing around, since I'm doing this, I might as well do it, right? I'm going to take a small BK Beauty 204. We are going to go in with the shade Sweetened. And I'm going to put that on my lid. Ooh, picks up really nicely. And that is blending in very well. So that one went right beside the shade Strawberry Pear. And this is blending in very well with the eyeshadows that I used from the Gemini 2 palette. This is gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom out. I have a lot going on my eyes now, but I really like it. These things blend, these eyeshadows blend very well. I am gonna be, I don't want anything to fall out, but so I'll be really gentle. So this is the Dragon Fruit palette from Clionadh. I have had it sitting around for a minute. Like I said before, I was just not in the mood to do makeup, but as you can see, makeup is fun. And I have had fun like adding shadows. Like I am not going anywhere. I am just playing with my makeup here. Trying to clean my brushes off at the same time. I am just playing with my makeup, and you can see how pigmented and how easily blendable and how vibrant these shadows from Clionadh are. This again is your color story, which is perfect for summer. And can't wait to use it, like completely use it on its own as a full look. So that is it, you all. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you are already subscribed, please make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I have a new video coming out. I have a lot of makeup here that I have collected since I have last seen you all, that I may do videos like some old, not old, but old new Beauty Bay palettes and stuff like that. So I may come on here with those also. Have a great day, you all. May your day be as flawless as your makeup. Bye.